This is the secret weapon that all of those faceless AI channels and the grifters that tell you can get rich by starting one of your own are gatekeeping from you. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can click a few buttons and use AI to not only generate high quality, engaging videos like the one you see here, but how to actually use these videos to create a machine that sells affiliate marketing products on autopilot, generating you sales around the clock. So let's just get started. Like I said, I'm going to hold nothing back in this video. So the first place to get started is heading to oneclickvids.com and simply starting your free trial. So you can see here, this is a tool that takes any idea and turns it into a video. You type the idea in, or you can even use AI to generate it, and it creates a video that you can not only post to social media, but you can auto schedule to publish to whatever accounts you want: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and you could just create an absolutely amazing amount and variety of content with this. Anything from superheroes to cartoons, realistic looking stuff, ancient Egypt type stuff, nature stuff, city stuff. Any kind of video you want to create, you'll be able to do that using this tool. And like I said, you can get started for free right now by clicking this button here at oneclickvids.com. But what I want to show you is how to not only use this tool for free on a trial, but how to use this tool for free indefinitely and actually get this tool to pay you. That's right, how to get these AI videos to put money in your pocket every single month. So you can see here, I've been using this tool for a while. I have this auto uploading to several different accounts. Here's one of my TikTok accounts. Now you can see these videos are getting about 100 views each, which is not a ton at face value, but right, that is 100 people seeing something. And like I said, this auto posts to multiple accounts. So I also post these videos to YouTube and to Facebook and to Instagram. So you can see here, they're getting a few views on YouTube as well. And the crazy thing is, sometimes these videos pop off and get thousands of views. But even with the low view counts of 100 per account, 5 accounts, that's 500 views a day on autopilot, all thanks to AI. And I'm not just speaking from my own experience here. There's actually a group for this, a Facebook group for this tool, and you could see the results that other people are getting here. This guy's got 7,000 subscribers using this tool. Other people have got their channels monetized and just got a ton of traction here. So this is a great place to come for support as well. If you need help using this tool, you can just come in here inside the group. And of course, when you start your free trial, they're going to send you a link to join this group. So be sure to check your email and you'll get an invite to this group where you can get feedback and help from other people and see what they are doing with the tool. So I don't want to waste any time. I want to show you exactly how to do this. So like I said, the first step is just grabbing your free trial so that you can get used to the tool and see how it works. It's super simple. Like I said, you're just going to type an idea, it spits out a video. So once you grab your free trial, this is what the dashboard looks like. Now, there's a variety of different things that you can do here within this tool, and I'm going to give you a quick run through real quick. But if you don't find everything you're looking for in this video, down below I will link a webinar. I actually did a 51-minute webinar showing you how to use this tool to create videos that get views and make you money. But real quick, while I have you here, let's take a look at what this can do. First of all, you can click create video, and you can either create an avatar video, that's one of these talking head videos, by either using one of the built-in avatars or your own, or you can create a faceless video, which is what I'm going to do here. I'll click faceless, then you can see this little menu pops up here. So you're going to choose the style. We can choose action movie style, and you can see here it's going to be obviously in the style of an action movie. There's cinematic realism, comic book, retro illustration, all kinds of different styles of video in here, right? So you're going to click the style that you want, go with that. Then here you can select the language, the subtitle, font. You can select an AI voice. Now, what's cool is you can even use your own voice. So you can see here I've created an AI voice clone of myself. So now AI will read the script for all these videos in my voice, which is super cool. But there's also tons of built-in voices here, so you don't even have to use your own voice. This can be completely anonymous, completely faceless. So that's basically what the tool does. You'll select a length here. You can create shorts. You can create videos up to 10 minutes long with this, whatever you want to do. There's some advanced options options where you can add effects to the video, you can add music, transitions, all that kind of stuff. I don't want to waste too much time on this because it's pretty self-explanatory, but I just want to give you an inside peek here under the hood of what this tool can do before we jump into how to not only use this for free forever, but actually get the tool to pay you, which I think is super cool. So that's it, and then you'll come down here. You can either paste in your own script, you can have AI write the script for you, or you could just paste in a URL if you want to turn a web page into a video, or you want to just basically copy another video and create it in your own style using AI. You'll just select the URL to video and paste in the URL video. So I hope you're following along here. I know I'm moving kind of fast, but it's absolutely a ton of stuff that this tool can do, and we've just barely scratched the surface here. I don't want to get too carried away with the technicalities of everything, but I do want to point out this bulk scheduler feature. So you can obviously go through and create the videos one by one, but maybe you're saying, James, I need a lot of videos. I want to post a video every day. I want to post 5 videos every day. Well, that's when you're going to come into this create bulk scheduler tool here. And it's simple. Again, it's just step by step, right? You're going to choose a topic here, or you can add your own by clicking this custom topic button. Then you're going to select which accounts you want the video to publish to. So there I'll select my social media accounts. And so let's select a topic here. Do a custom topic, AI marketing. And then we'll come down. So duration, how long do we want this auto posting campaign to go for? So 7 days. I could drag this over to 30 if I wanted these to post every day for the next month, but just for the demo, I'll leave it at 7. And post per day, right? You can post a maximum of 5 times per day for up to 30 days. So that's a month's worth of content, 5 videos a day that you can create by clicking a few buttons within this tool. So then we'll go select the time, 9 a.m. looks good. So that's a total of 7 videos for 7 days. You click next. It looks like I've already have a bunch scheduled, so it's not going to allow me to create a new one. But on the next screen, you're going to see the exact same screen that I showed you before for the faceless video here, where it's going to have you select the different features of your video, and what you select here will just apply to all the videos that it creates. And then if I come back here to the bulk scheduler, you can see, I'll show you what it looks like once the videos are created. So we'll come back here to the bulk scheduler. Here you can see here, this one has 28 videos in it. So I don't want to delete it. Anyways, this is what it will look like once the videos are created, and you can actually come edit these videos. So if I come to video editor, you can preview them and check them out in advance and make any changes that you want to make. So that is the video editor, but I need to, in order to access my videos, obviously it makes sense to click my videos here. So here we go. Under my videos is where you'll find all your created videos. And so the folders here are going to be for your bulk scheduler. So if I want to edit the videos for the bulk scheduler, I will just come in here and check them out. So you can just click on one of these videos and it's going to pull it up. It's going to play the video, and it's going to give you the option to edit the video or edit the images and subtitles within the video. So that's basically how the tool works. I don't want to get too carried away with the technicalities of it because you'll be able to figure it out on your own in about 5 or 10 minutes. What I want to focus on now is showing you how to actually make money with these videos. So like I said, I do have a full 51-minute webinar that dives into more detail about this, linked down below, but I want to just give you an overview. So the way that you'll get this tool for free indefinitely, right, because I told you there's a free trial, you can just come here to oneclickvids.com and start your free trial. But if you want to use this tool indefinitely, what you're going to want to do is join the affiliate program. So an affiliate program, all that means is referral program. They're going to give you a link. I'll scroll down here. You see this referral link. So they're going to give you a referral link, and all you have to do is copy this link. And now anybody who goes to this link and signs up is going to earn you a commission. If they become a paying customer, you will earn commission every month that they pay. So you can see here, I've been using this tool for just a few months now, and you can see it's already paid me $308. There's $204 unpaid, and so in 14 days I'll be getting $141. Well, my subscription level I think is $75 a month for this tool. So it's already not only paying for itself, but it's paying me what I had to pay the first month for a subscription. It's now paying me that each and every month. $100, and this increases every month. So far, I have referred 37 people, and out of those 37 people, 18 have decided to stay around and continue using the tool, and that's how I earn money every month with this tool. So that's basically how it works. I want to give you an overview of the process. So here's what the tool does. I already kind of gave you a walkthrough of the tool, but just so you can see visually how the tool itself works, you give the tool an idea. That's all you have to do is type in an idea, and then AI is going to generate a script for you, and then it's going to generate the images for the different scenes in the video. Then it's going to go ahead and add effects to the in between the slides, the transitions of the images. It's going to add sound. It's going to add both a voiceover, and if you want it to, it will add music. Then it's going to add text. It's going to add captions to the videos, because a lot of people are scrolling and they have the sound off, or they're watching at work, or they're on the public transportation or whatever, and so they're watching videos without the sound, so it's important to have the captions. It's going to add that. Then it's going to actually add motion to your videos, so it's not just a slideshow, but it's an actual video, right? A never before seen AI video. So then it spits out the finished product. And like I said, you can do this in bulk, which is what I recommend you do if you want to actually start earning money with this stuff and getting people to sign up and referrals for the tool. So how do you do that? Well, you're going to create this video. Now, obviously, remember I told you you're going to need to grab your affiliate link. So that's what this represents over here. That's your affiliate link. If we come here and we look at the page here, like I said, you'll scroll down, referral link. That's right there. So you're going to take this link, and then every single time you post a video, you want this link to be in the description or in the comments of the video. So you're going to take these AI generated videos, and again, using the tool, you can set this up using the bulk scheduler, so this happens on complete autopilot. So you're going to have it create videos about this link, and in this case we're promoting the tool itself, the AI video generator. So what's going to do, it's going to create these videos, and every day it's going to post a video to YouTube, to TikTok, to Instagram, to Facebook, and you can actually add other platforms here as well. So as many different accounts as you want, it's going to post to every single day. And as that happens, each and every one of these videos is going to be linked to this link that makes you money. So even if you get low views, like my AI videos have been getting recently, right? Just a couple hundred views per video, not a lot. But if you're doing this across multiple accounts, now suddenly you're getting hundreds of views, right? 200, 500, 1,000 views per day. So I'll just put 1K, right? 1,000 views per day across all of these videos. That's, now you're getting what, 30,000 views a month, all from clicking a few buttons, something that took you, what, 5 or 10 minutes, right? I already walked you through the whole process of how to use this tool. You just come to the bulk scheduler, you click a few buttons, it takes you about 5 minutes, and now you have a month's worth of content ready to go. And that's how you can get easily 30,000 views at the low end on your content, and that's how you're going to get 1,000 clicks on your affiliate links, so that you can get people to sign up and not only pay for the tool itself for free, so that you can use it for free, but then actually get this tool to pay you and start putting money in your pocket every month. So if you learn something in this video, it takes me quite a bit of time to put these videos together, so I'd appreciate it if you took 1 second to click that thumbs up button. That's going to let the algorithm and other people know that you learned something, that this video is worth watching, and hopefully the algorithm will show it to more people. So if you want to learn more about this, like I said, I've linked the webinar down below. That's this video here on YouTube. That's free. And what else is free is I've put together a step-by-step checklist that you can grab, again, completely free at profitpassively.com. So you come here, you just put your email in, and you will get the checklist. And this step-by-step checklist is going to show you how to grow brand new social media accounts to over 1,000 followers this month, and then again make money promoting other people's products. This is not just something you can do with this tool at oneclickvids.com. You can actually use this process to promote hundreds or thousands of other products, any kind of products, digital products, physical products, services, anything you want. And I've actually used this process to earn tens of thousands of dollars across multiple different affiliate programs, which is kind of why I put together this checklist, because I want to make it as easy as possible for other people to get started doing this. So like I said, the checklist is at profitpassively.com. In addition to getting the step-by-step checklist, I'm also going to give you a copy of my money making links spreadsheet, and this is just a list of all of the best affiliate programs that I've found to promote. It tells you what the tool or product does. It gives you a link to sign up for the affiliate program and a few notes, extra details about what the tools itself do. A lot of these are AI tools and marketing tools, but there are also a few different platforms down at the bottom where you can sign up for affiliate networks where there's hundreds and, like I said, thousands of other products that you can promote. And again, this is nothing difficult. All we're doing is clicking buttons and earning money from work that AI does. So like I said, if that sounds good to you, make sure to smash the thumbs up, like the video. If you haven't already, click the red button down below and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos about making money with AI when I make them in the future. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.